Hey, bro. Why are you playing in that? You pass it here, please.
No light.
Hey, clean chica. Oh, hold the pink one real quick.
Touch it. I just warm.
Because it got laundry in it. Pinky said hi. I'm 30, I'm 30, I'm 30, I'm 30, I'm 30, I'm 30, I'm 30. Still not at 200. Thank y'all for all the tabs y'all done did so far though.
How they are still?
No, I don't want to get on his skin.
What's wrong with that?
He already got skin allergies, hey.
What are skin allergies? Like the it's only 50% alcohol. That's not even that.
15%?
Yes.
Okay. You can get a sip. Since when you start wanting to drink liquid?
I know what buzzball is.
I know you know what it is from TikTok, but you ain't ever had it. If buzzballs are only 15% now, they couldn't have been 15 back in the day. Women, they come, they go.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
Tell them we. That you go get what for him? Girl. My mama bought it over here for me to put it in the Ninja slushy. She say they make good daiquiris.
They do. You hot squeezing? Huh?
Maybe next round I'll let you.
No, this round. That one.
You can squeeze the green one. Yeah, I heard you're supposed to mix the buzz off with the pink one. And before any of y'all get on here talking about I let my son have some buzz balls, I don't know if this is in every state, but in the state of Louisiana, minors can drink under the supervision of their parents.
What's wrong with alcohol anyways? I'm not gonna be drunk. Like,
does your husband understand it, Marcel? Yep, they can. Even in restaurants. Like if we go to a restaurant, he can't sit at the bar, but I could order him a drink to consume at a restaurant. Texas can too, then? No, you can do it in public in Louisiana. We got crazy laws here though. Our laws are a little bit different. He's 14. Y'all can look it up. But it has to be your kid. Like I can let, yeah, I can let like somebody else's kid drink. Oh, I definitely started drinking when I was like 15. Yeah, it has to be apparent there. Yes, it is. Y'all see, he ain't moving. They can go to the club in Texas. I didn't know that.
Yeah, it wipes off. Please have my shirt in case.
Oh no, go take your school shirt off and put it in the washer now. This got bleach in it.
Oh, it got bleach in it.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't put it in my shirt.
Girl, he don't got baseball today. It's tomorrow and Wednesday.
I'm not going tomorrow.
You are going tomorrow.
No, I'm not playing. Why I got playing tomorrow anyway? We got enough people. We got tons of people.
No, because Gabe and Austin was.
Okay, yeah, Austin don't play.
Yeah.
And Gabe most likely don't play. He's not gonna be outside on. Small. Small.
Yeah, he's done a live with me before when he was in the sink. We did like a double sink. Y'all, look how full this coat is. Do y'all see how full it is?
You just want to turn the washer on?
Huh?
You want to turn the washer on?
What you mean? Wash your clothes. Any dirty clothes that you have.
Okay.
I'm in Northwest Louisiana. Like field. Y'all think I should say something before we keep adding? Yeah, that was like right by me. I definitely heard about it. It was in my city. Y'all, these gloves gotta come off. The polish and stuff in the front. Come on, Tay. What they saying? Because I don't even see. Y'all can look it up. It's literally a law in Louisiana. I know what I'm talking about. Google is y'all best friend. Yeah. Pinky the daddy. Your kids are going to do it anyway. So you would want them to get like a taste of it in front of you so you can show them the way. It's the truth. It's literally the truth. I got no reason to lie about this. Don't be mad because y'all little states weren't settled by the French and the French people lit. The French people lit and y'all got them Spaniards and shit that settled y'all states. Don't get mad at us. Cause them Vikings came and settled where y'all lived at and them French people was lit when they made us. Right now I smell the fab. Honestly, the lavender fab is coming through finally. I was smelling them to comment. They tight. They the birthday bitch. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna get the anti powder. Why hating over that in my way? Do y'all see him? Bossy, you wish he was here too? Yeah, he trying to rush the process.
How?
He trying to rush the process.
Finger hurt. I think some love. I know you got some. I'm not gonna put something.
Okay, we got 2 cases of powder. I'm gonna do some laundry bums. And we got 2 cases of powder.
What's all your gloves?
It's some in the garage. Not all of them.
Yeah, they're mine. Right? You said this somewhere?
In the garage.
We're in the garage, Mom.
In that bowl or next to that bowl? In my PET, running slowly. Here we come back to me. Yes, I do. Sometimes it depends on how it smells at the end. It gotta smell really good.
Only these right here. This one's like.
Where you been, T? You put your clothes in there?
You in here?
Shut the door to the washroom.
You did all of it?
Hey, thank you, Maria. My son. I'll let it up on plate.
Yeah, that's what I told you.
Thank you. Now I'm gonna need me a good hot bath after this. Thank you. You can let me have all the fun cherries. You know Colton been watching?
Colton.
He be watching sometimes. I don't think he in here now because he would say hey. But he be in here.
For real? Why? Just like, you be satisfied with that? I ain't trying to do that. Oh, I got dogs. I can't do anything about that. What?
Somebody's on the thing up here. Okay, I'm gonna put some powder in. Okay, let me put some more powder in. Even that. You can get the big Chanel at the store if you want it. Baby, ain't no suds coming up out of these. Jump too hard. On this way. I get paid.
So I'm dealing with wire, man.
Okay.
Or like your Apple Pro.
Up this way.